Friends, today we will discuss about the chapter 1 Physical World. Physics meaning. What is physics? It is derived from Greek word meaning nature. In Hindi or Sanskrit, it is called bhautiki. It refers to the study of physical world. In a broader sense, it is the study of the basic laws of nature and their manifestations. It is all about explaining diverse physical phenomena with the help of few concepts and laws. Scope and excitement of physics. There are two domains of interest, microscopic and macroscopic. First domain, macroscopic. It is based on terrestrial, laboratory, astronomical scales. And microscopic physics. It is based on nuclear physics, molecular physics, and atomic physics. But recently, a third domain of interest between these two domains is called mesoscopic domain. In this domain, scientists deals with a few tens of hundreds of atoms, and it has emerged as an exciting field of research. Various theories related to macroscopic domain and microscopic domain are further categorized like classical physics, quantum theory, and physical technology and society. Now we are discussing about the classical physics. It is the study of macroscopic phenomena. It includes subjects like mechanics and electrodynamics and thermodynamics. First, mechanics. Under mechanics, we study first Newton's law of motion, the law of gravitation. The law of gravitation is concerned with the motion of particles. Particles may be rigid and deformable, and general system of particles. Electrodynamics, it deals with electric and magnetic phenomena associated with charged and magnetic bodies. Now thermodynamics, it deals with systems in macroscopic equilibrium and is concerned with changes in internal energy, temperature, entropy and other systems through external work and transfer of heat and efficiency of heat engines and refrigerators. Next है optics. It is the study of phenomena which have lights and optical instruments like telescope, microscope. Next theory after classical physics is quantum theory. It is the framework for explaining microscopic phenomena as classical physics. It explains microscopic level of like atoms and nuclei, microscopic level of particles. Next is physics, technology and society. There are number of examples in the world which shows the close relationship between the physics, technology and society. Such the steam engine is inseparable from the industrial revolution in England in the 18th century. Great impact on the course of human civilization, wireless communication technology and computers are the best example for physics, technology and societies. Thus, we have studied these main points of the physics. These are the basic scope of physics, how you will develop your career and in which field you want to develop your career after taking the physics as a subject in class 11th. It is very clear for you students. Please do and practice. Please read and practice and make a notes of these PDF. Thank you very much.